Right, we are at the final stage of creating our protocols for the database, and this task will be task A2e, in which we will create the relationships between the three tables. To do that in Microsoft Access, let's head over there. Let's say that we have done all the reports and everything is on the left, and to create a relationship, we just simply hover our mouse and go to the database tools and select relationships. Now, if this is not, let's say, for example, nothing is here on your screen, you can just go ahead and double click all of the tables and show it all together, and then just pull this down and you'll be able to see every fields on the relationship editing. So what we can do right now is to observe our table and see which tables have the same information, and so that we can create a relationship altogether. So for me, when I look at the booking and classes table, I can see that class ID is right over here, and classes also has the class ID too. So we will create a relationship by making sure that class ID is linked together, and we will select enforce referential integrity, meaning that these two tables will have the same information across these two tables. And once that's done, you will see that the relationship has been created, and you'll be able to make sure you create the second relationship for the third table. Same goes to this one. We have to observe which of these information that we have, so that we will make sure that the relationship created has a referential integrity. So if I see here client ID, client name, but there is none of the information in classes that has the same in clients. So that means that this classes, we don't need to create any relationship anymore. We just need to make sure that the booking is now placed here, so that we can just put the client ID and client ID together, and making sure that this is enforced with referential integrity, and we will then create a relationship of our database together. And with that, you can just immediately save your database, and then just take a screenshot showing the relationship that you created. Just go ahead and screenshot this, go into your evidence document, and place this screenshot in your A2e folder.